In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads for marketplaces effectively with some practical examples to guide you along the way. Using Google Ads can be transformational for your business, offering you the chance to connect with a larger audience and drive more sales. Whether you're an experienced marketer or new to online advertising, this guide will show you how to navigate the Google Ads platform and set up a campaign specifically for marketplaces. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started on the right foot. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. Don't worry if the interface looks a little daunting at first. It's built to help users like you succeed in promoting your products and services. This homepage is your gateway to creating campaigns intended to capture and convert potential customers into loyal buyers. Once you've reached the page, the next step is to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, this would be a good time to set one up. The sign in button is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Simply click it and follow the prompts. Now that you're logged into your Google Ads account, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home interface. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to see an overview of your campaigns, reports, and insights that Google gathers from your ad activities. However, our focus today is on setting up a new campaign for your marketplace. On the left-hand sidebar, locate and click the campaign section. This is your control room where you'll manage all the different advertising campaigns you decide to run. Your campaigns serve as the foundation of your Google Ads strategy, helping to drive traffic and engage consumers effectively. Next, you're going to click on New Campaign. Starting from scratch allows you to customize the objectives and settings according to the specific goals you have for your marketplace. Whether you aim to increase website traffic, boost product sales, or generate more leads, a new campaign will provide the right platform for your advertisement. Afterward, choose the campaign type called Local Store Visits and Promotions, which is particularly beneficial for those operating in the marketplace space. This option allows you to promote local in-store events or special promotions, which can be especially enticing for customers who prefer shopping in-store or want to know about local offers. By employing strategic Google Ads campaigns, you're not only augmenting your reach to potential customers, but also enhancing your marketplace's visibility in a competitive industry. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting effective ad campaigns that can drive meaningful business results. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your advertising journey.